growing network marketing firm in the world. We are looking for international partners who can take on the global market. Fusion Excel Business Partners champions the global expansion and navigate ways of exponential growth. As a business partner, you help people become healthy and you create wealth for yourself and everyone with you. This can be your other channel of success. Hold on to your dreams and take the journey with us to a future of fulfillment, happiness, and prosperity.
Christmas brings families together.
Ngunit ang ating mga OFW ay isinakripisyo ito para matugunan ang mga pangarap. Ang pangarap na matugunan ang lahat ng pangangailangan ng kanyang pamilya. I am a believer in dreams and in making them happen. You probably think that since I have achieved most of my dreams as a professional basketball player, that I already stopped dreaming. No. Today, I am continually realizing these dreams through my partnership with Fusion Excel.
Hindi pwedeng sirain ng global financial crisis ang pangarap mo kung nakafocus ka sa mga tamang opportunities. Ang magandang balita pa ay may isang opportunity ka na para mapalago at mapalaki, lalo na ang kita mo sa likod ng crisis na ito. Be a Fusion Excel International Partner.
When we pursue our dreams, it gives us financial empowerment for the family. And before you know it, business opportunities come your way. You can be a Fusion Excel International Business Partner and you will be on your way to fulfilling financial security and satisfaction for you and your family.
May mga tradisyon tayong mga Pilipino na nagsiset ng goal bawat taon. Iniimbitahan ko kayong lahat dito sa napakagandang business opportunity partnership with Fusion Excel International. Katulad ni Alan, Alvin at Monsur, ang partnership ko with Fusion Excel ay nagsimula bilang tagatangkilik lang. At eventually, bilang endorser, napakagaling talaga nitong mga produkto ng Fusion Excel. I'm a living testimony to others. Promoting the products and doing the business became very easy. Make Fusion Excel your business partner in achieving your goals in life.